burning of garbage and using landfills, compost and biogas, different types of waste and waste managing. This all topic we are discussing in this chapter. Page number 167. Let's begin our chapter. Waste. What is the meaning of waste? Anything that is not useful for us, that is considered as a waste. Anything that is not useful for us and after completes its purpose, now we can say it is waste. For example, we buying a ketchup bottle from market. After finish the ketchup bottle is waste now. So these all are different types of waste, and we can see the different types of waste around us. From our home also we can see many things we discarded, like old paper, broken chair, broken things, and leftover food, piece of vegetable and piece of vegetable and fruits, egg cells. These all are different types of waste. Waste sorting. Usually waste sorting done by the rag pickers. They take out the important things that can be reused or recycled. They separate these things from our waste. But these things, they are actually doing what we should have done. ये अपन को करना चाहिए. Before throwing our waste, we should check any things that can be reused or that can be recycled. Waste sorting and waste segregating. What is the meaning of waste segregating? The sorting of waste known as segregating of waste. Waste sorting is the process in which waste classify into different types. You can see we can classify waste into different types, like wet waste, dry waste. In our home we can give example wet waste, dry waste, and for this we use different dustbin, and different color dustbin we use for dry waste and wet waste. Like all wet waste from our home, from our kitchen, we used to this all waste put in green dustbin. Green waste been used for wet waste. Next type of waste bin blue. In blue waste bin we put dry waste, like metal, wood, glass. This all solid waste or dry waste we will put in blue dustbin. And one more type of dustbin, yellow dustbin. This yellow dustbin, the waste, for the waste that is harmful for our environment. Most of the clinical waste that is put in yellow bins. These are the types of different types of waste, like wet waste, dry waste, and harmful waste. Dry waste used to put in blue waste bin, and wet waste used to put in green waste bin, and harmful and clinical waste used to put in yellow waste bin. These all different types of waste bin for our waste. And waste can be classified into two types. First, biodegradable. Second, non-biodegradable. What is the meaning of biodegradable waste? Biodegradable waste, the waste that can be easily broken down and that can be easily decomposed by some types of microorganisms in our natural. जो natural है, all biodegradable waste easily decomposed in our natural with the help of some microorganism. This type of waste known as biodegradable waste. The biodegradable waste is the waste can be broken down by microbes like bacteria into simpler compounds with the help of some microorganism breaking down of all waste into simpler compounds. This is known as decomposed of waste. And all biodegradable waste can be decomposed easily. Like example, kitchen waste, agriculture residue, and sewage all are biodegradable waste. They are also called organic waste. Organic waste जो क्या होता है, प्लांट्स और एनिमल का बचा हुआ, एनिमल से रिलेटेड जो भी होगा, जैसे वेजिटेबल्स हो गए, अपना किचन वेस्ट हो गया, ये सारा किससे होता है, प्लांट्स प्रोडक्ट होते हैं। एंड जो प्लांट्स प्रोडक्ट वेस्ट होता है, इट कैन बी इजीली ब्रोकन डाउन बाय द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म, सो इट इज आल्सो नॉन, ऑल बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट आल्सो नॉन एज ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट। सेकेंड टाइप्स ऑफ वेस्ट, नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट। नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट sometimes of waste material, especially man-made things that is not decomposed by microorganism in natural, they are known as non-biodegradable waste, and this all non-biodegradable waste not good for our environment, because you see one example, plastic is a man-made things, and plastic is example of non-biodegradable waste. This plastic, when we put plastic into soil, it will into land or into soil, it will not decompose by microorganism, and it will stay for long time, for million years in the soil, and because of this soil will pollute and land pollution will create because of this plastic. That means we can say non-biodegradable waste are harmful for our environment. And one more types of waste, recyclable waste. Recyclable waste, that waste we can convert, some types of waste that can be converted into useful things, that is known as recyclable waste. Recyclable waste in any waste that can be converted into some useful product. ऐसा कुछ वेस्ट होगा जिससे अपन उसको वापस यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट में चेंज कर सकते हैं, उसको बोलेंगे रिसाइक्लेबल वेस्ट। इट कैन बी बोथ बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट और नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट। इन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट लाइक sometimes of in agriculture residue, we can change this agriculture residue into compost, and this compost used for as a manure. We can use this compost for plant growth and humus. It will increase the humus in soil, and humus is very good for growth of proper growth of plant. So that means recyclable waste can be both biodegradable or non-biodegradable. Using landfill. What is the meaning of landfill and sanitation landfills? What is the meaning of sanitation landfills? One place and one larger low-lying place, like एक गड्ढा नहीं होता, पिट होता है, तो a place low-lying on larger place where all type of waste isolated and decomposed. This is known as landfills. This landfills, देखो इस landfills में क्या होता है, फर्स्ट जो ये पिट होता है उसमें गार्बेज डाला जाता है, and after putting garbage it covered with soil, and again waste put in this pit, again it covered with soil. Like this the different types of layer of waste in we can see in landfills. तो देखो इसमें क्या होगा, पहले वेस्ट डालेंगे, उसको सॉइल से कवर करेंगे, अगेन उस सॉइल के ऊपर वेस्ट डालेंगे, उसको किससे कवर करेंगे, सॉइल से कवर करेंगे। तो इससे पूरी जो वेस्ट क्या हो जाएगी, लेयर हो जाती है, और सॉइल क्या करेंगे, सॉइल में जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म होंगे they will easily compose this waste into manure or compost. So like this, and after filling the pit we will cover with soil. अब इस प्लेस को यूज किया जाता है किसी भी चीज, इसके ऊपर अब किसी पार्क का या एग्रीकल्चर लैंड के लिए इसको यूज किया जाता है। वन एग्जांपल इन दिल्ली में जो इंद्रप्रस्थ गार्डन है वो एक लैंडफिल पे बनाया गया है। तो देखो ये लैंडफिल, सैनिटेशन लैंडफिल ऐसा होता है, गड्ढे में पूरा क्या किया जाता है, वेस्ट डाला जाता है, उसको सॉइल से कवर कर लिया जाता है, तो वो इजीली क्या सॉइल की हेल्प से वो क्या हो जाएगा, इजीली डिकम्पोज। तो ये होता है सैनिटेशन लैंडफिल्स। तो सैनिटरी लैंडफिल्स आर साइट्स वेयर वेस्ट इज आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम एनवायरनमेंट अंटिल इट इज सेफ। उसको आइसोलेटेड किया जाता है एनवायरनमेंट के लिए, जब तक कि वो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए क्या नहीं हो जाए, सेफ नहीं हो जाए। तो देखो सम ऑफ गार्बेज मे बी लेफ्ट अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग व्हेन यू लीव होम ऑफ योर स्कूल, यू मे सी burning of garbage है, this is maybe not correct for our environment. After burning, garbage will produce many harmful gases and harmful substance that is not good for our environment. So burning of garbage not good for our environment. Some of garbage may be left unburned even after the fire goes out and it lies scattered, making the land look like an open garbage dump. देखो कभी कभी क्या होता है, sometimes after burning also unburned garbage left and scattered here and there, वो ना जलने के बाद भी उनका पूरी तरह से डिकम्पोज नहीं हो पाते हैं, वो पड़े रहते हैं वहाँ पे और गंदगी करते रहते हैं. Burning reduce the volume of the waste, although it is generally not burned to completion. Burning ये जो पूरा उसका प्रॉपर वे नहीं है उसको डिकम्पोज करने का, वेस्ट को प्रॉपर तरीके से डिकम्पोज नहीं करता है बर्निंग. क्योंकि कुछ ऐसा वेस्ट होता है जो बर्निंग के बाद में, उसको बर्निंग करने के बाद में वो आधा जलता है, आधा अनबर्न रह जाता है. तो मे बी दिस बर्निंग इज नॉट गुड फॉर प्रॉपर एंड दिस इज नॉट प्रॉपर वेस्ट मैनेजिंग टेक्निक. Sanitary landfills are adopted as the substitute for open burning dumps. In a sanitary landfill, waste are dumped in pits. तो देखो just now we have discussed in sanitary landfills, waste are put in pit and covered with soil. Why covering this waste with the soil? Because with the help of soil, many types of microorganisms are present in soil, and this microorganism easily compose this waste. If you live in town or a city, you may have seen trucks carrying garbage to some landfill site. In our lands also, every day trucks coming now for taking this all garbage. Now, after collecting all this garbage from our homes, it will take this all garbage into landfills. Compost. What is the meaning of compost? The black color soil-like matter. The black color soil-like matters form from the complete rotting of waste. It's called compost. देखो compost क्या होता है? After putting waste into landfills, जो landfills में after putting waste into landfills, it will completely rotting, और rotting होने से क्या होगा? It will produce one black soil-like substance. After completing rotting and after completely decompose of waste, it will produce and it form one black soil-like substance that is known as compost. Compost is the organic matter that has been decomposed and recycled as a fertilizer. और इस compost को change किया जाएगा in manure और fertilizers. Fertilizers that increase the fertility of soil, that is help for proper growth of all plants. The process of composting simply require making a heap of organic matter or green waste. So simply that compost can be produced with the green waste like a plant residue, agriculture residue, animal residue, leaves, food waste, etc. or burying into moist soil. So first when we put this all biodegradable waste into soil, it will change into compost. After a period of weeks or month, the material break down into humus, and slowly when we put organic waste into soil, slowly it breaking down into one type of organic material, humus, black type substance. The decomposition of process is made faster by shredding the plant's matter. We can make it faster by the shredding the plant's matter. जो plants होता है, plants के matter होते हैं like leaves, उनको पीस करके अगर उसमें डाल देंगे तो इस प्रोसेस को स्पीडली किया जा सकता है. shredding का मीनिंग होता है पीस करना. adding water and by regularly turning the mixtures. If you want to make fast this compost, then we can do one thing. First mixing some plants parts and mixing regularly watering and turning the mixture. देखो turning mixture करने से क्या होगा, जो माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म होगी they can easily take oxygen from outside for the respiration process. Second things, उसमें जो प्लांट्स मैटर होगा तो प्लांट्स मैटर क्या करेगा, उसको ह्यूमस प्रोवाइड कर, इस तरह से कंपोस्ट from kitchen is that can be broken down some bacteria and while other dry जो वेस्ट वेट वेस्ट होता है उसको इजीली डिकम्पोज किया जाता है, कुछ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं उनसे, और जो ड्राई मटेरियल होता है वो नॉन ड्राई मटेरियल प्लास्टिक हो गया नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल, इट कैन नॉट बी डिकम्पोज. वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग? व्हेन द ऑर्गेनिक waste convert into compost by the earthworm. This process known as vermi composting. In this we usually all know that earthworm feed on the microorganism that are found on waste. They eat this microorganism and pass this microorganism and this soil pass through the digestive system, and as a excretion they again take out this soil, and this after excretion what they are taking out, this is the vermi compost, and this is very rich in nutrients. That nutrients is very good for growth of plant. The vermi compost is the end product of the breakdown of organic matter by earthworm in a mixtures of decomposing vegetables or food waste, excluding meat, dairy फैट्स और ऑयल प्रोडक्ट. जो डेयरी प्रोडक्ट होंगे, एनिमल्स प्रोडक्ट होंगे, वो इस वेस्ट में इंक्लूड नहीं होना चाहिए. वाई वी शुड नॉट इंक्लूड दिस एनिमल प्रोडक्ट इन द वेस्ट फॉर वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग? बिकॉज वी ऑल नो दैट earthworm use their skin for respiration process. If the waste like oil, much oil in the waste and the fatty product in the waste, it will hinder for earthworm to breathing. उनकी जो breathing होगी उसमें problem create करेगा. So the vermi composting we should not put animal product in vermi composting waste. This oily product and this fatty product are not good for earthworm. As the compare of the composting, it provide a way to compost organic material more quickly and it's more useful to plants. तो ये composting होगा after excretion, what they will take out, this is very useful and it is very useful for plants. And red earthworm are good in vermi composting because they eat fast. जो उनकी eating होती है वो बहुत फास्ट खाते हैं और इस प्रोसेस को मल्टीपल टाइम्स करते हैं. तो red earthworm are good for vermi composting. One more thing, now we understood why earthworm known as the friend of farmer, because they help the farmer as they engage in the fertility of soil. If increasing fertility of soil it is good for plants growth, so they are known as farmer friends. So earthworm known as farmer friends because they convert organic waste into compost, and this compost compost act as a fertilizer for plants. Vermi compost is full of nutrients and unlike fertilizers with no chemicals. This is produced by organic materials, so it not contain any chemicals. It makes the soil so fertile that is easy for plant to absorb these nutrients. The waste product that can be used for this technique. Which type of waste we can include for convert a vermi compost? Let's discuss. First, fruits and vegetables not include, but in this not including sure fruits. Why? Because all sure fruits like citric fruits, they contain acid, and because of this soil excessive sure fruit waste, and because of this soil can be acidic. उससे ज़्यादा अगर अपन वेस्ट में जो citric fruits होंगे, खट्टे fruits होंगे, तो we know all that all citric fruits contain acid, और इससे क्या हो जाएगा, जो acidic, तो soil क्या हो जाएगी, acidic हो जाएगी. So in vermi composting waste citric fruit should be not included. Second, Onion and garlic also not should be included in vermicomposting waste. Why? Because they contain sulfur. So they have, so it is very bad. And if we will include this, the compost waste can be smell badly. So we should not include this also, onion and garlic also, in vermicomposting waste. Coffee, loose tea, whole bags we can include. Grain based food such as bread, plant product we can include in vermicomposting waste like bread and cereals, but not including oily and pizza crust. Why oily? Just now we have discussed. If we will add much oily waste into vermicomposting organic waste and vermicomposting waste that is converted into vermicomposting, this is not good for earthworm. And because of this, that is not good for earthworm. So we should not add this oily food and animal product in organic waste that is converted into vermicompost. Ground egg cells, and egg cells also